Hi, grade 3. Today I will continue Unit 1 in new syllabus. This video for Egyptian syllabus grade 3, Unit 1. Today I will resume Unit 1, lesson 3 and 4. But before I will go to our lesson today, I would like to say, don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel. This is my channel, send you new videos. Let's go to our lesson today. Today I will start lesson 3 in the new syllabus book, which is in this lesson we describing people. But how describing people? By saying tall boy, curly hair, straight hair, long hair, all this describing the shape of someone. Say here tall, we have here tall, short, curly hair, straight hair, long hair, short hair, brown eyes. Describing personality. You can say describing personality as well as funny, as shy, as friendly, helpful, polite, and so on. Let's go to learn more about this, more about expressions that related for this lesson. Listen, repeat, and practice. I'm funny. I make friends laugh. Funny means make friends laugh. Friendly. He is friendly. So he says hello to everyone. If we met someone in his road, in his way, saying hello, or met someone in his classroom or in a school or any place, we say hello. So this one called friendly. She's helpful when someone needs help. My teacher is tall. She can reach the top shelf. She has long hair. It looks nice. I have brown eyes and curly hair. Here in this part, we say, draw the picture of yourself, then complete the sentence using the example below. I'm funny, I have curly hair, and I'm tall. So here you write yourself and describing yourself by saying I'm funny, I have curly hair, and I'm tall. Okay, so this is self assignment to do by yourself. Okay, let's go to another item here. My sister says she shares her toys. Shares her toys. So here it will be here friendly. He is very friendly. Okay, friendly. My friend is based. He always says please and thank you. So this is polite request. So here it will be here polite. He is polite. When say please or thank you, this polite one. My teacher says she always has a smile in her face. Here what is kind. Kind. The clown's face. A clown we see all clown in the circus. He makes us laugh. Clowns what here? He's funny. Funny. He's space. He and doesn't like to talk much. He is shy. So he is shy, can't talk too much. So here to be here shy. Let's go to another item here. Let's do this exercise together. My friend helps me. She's what? She's kind. So it will be here kind. Makes me laugh. He is what? Funny without thinking. You can reach the top of the shelf. You are tall without thinking. She doesn't talk a lot. So it will be what? It will be shy. Not funny, not tall. If you can't know the meaning of the sentence, you can say all of us know funny and all of us know tall. So here can I put here tall or funny here? No. So we can describing the meaning. Then we select the correct word. It will be here shy. My teacher smiles. She's what? She's happy. Let's go to another item here, to another question. I have space what? Hair. I have here curly hair. We have curly, we have straight, we have blonde hair, we can say blonde hair, we have curly, we have straight hair, we have long hair, and so on. All this describing hair. My sister's face is not short. My sister is tall. She isn't short. So here is the opposite adjectives. He helps everyone. He is what? He's helpful without thinking. Helpful. It's coming from the verb helpful. My mother is what? It's very what? It's very kind. Let's go to another one here. Let's go to next question. Here we say, this is my friend Layla. She's very spacious. She always smiles. She's very friendly. She's very friendly. Okay. She's very friendly. She always what? She always smile. She has space and big brown eyes. She has space what? She has curly hair. She has curly hair. She has curly hair and big brown eyes. She is also very tall. She's very tall. Okay, she's very tall. Let's go to another item here. Here is a puzzle. Here is the puzzle. I will answer some of them, and I will leave the rest to do it by yourself. Here we have words, and we can make a circle about those. Here we circle on happy, kind. What is the spelling of kind here? We can select it here from this part. I see here kind. I would like to select how to write kind here. Kind. Here is happy. Where is kind? K. Here is kind. K. Kind. Here is kind. This kind is called kind. I will answer some, not all. I answered some of them. Here is funny. Okay. So I will leave the rest to do it by yourself. Now we know that in this is not important to do it, but here you can write it for you to know the vocab. Here we learn here in this unit, we learn some vocab like happy, like kind, like funny, like sad, like shy. I think it's easy to keep it. Okay, I think it's easy as not strange for us. I think we took it before in Connect. Here is happy, kind, funny, sad, and shy. All these the words that we learned in this unit. In this unit also we have the present simple tense for description by verb to be here. We use here am, is, are. Here we use verb to be in present. I take am, you, we, they take are. Here is you, we, they take are. Okay, you, we, they take are, and he, she, it, take, is. This is the verb to be in the present form. Let's continue the rest of this tense. Okay, and later we know the present simple tense and how we use the present simple tense describing routines and habits and facts. Later I would like to explain again. Okay, asking questions. When we hear ask a question, what's your name? How are you today? So we say here, I'm fine, and my name is, and you say your name. Here we say, the replying of this question, it will be here, what is your name? My name is Sarah, or my name is Ahmed, or my name is Noah, or my name is Maha, or Noha, or any name. Here is, how are you today? I'm fine, thank you. Let's do this exercise together. He space am is are my brother. He is singular. Take what? Take is. I'm listening. You saying Miss Man, take is. You are clever pupils. I take am. Can I select are? Wrong. Can I select is? Wrong. Because we know the verb to be I am. He, she, it is. You, we, they are. I am. You, we, they are. He, she, it, take is. I am. You, we, they are. He, she, it, take is. We, here we have we. Take what? I make you misunderstanding here and saying we am wrong. All of us saying wrong, Miss Iman. Some of you saying we is wrong. You say Miss Iman wrong. So the correct one, it will be what? It will be are. I'm making you misunderstand it to correct me. She space am is are. My mom. She is what? Is singular. So I select this one. She is. You is am are. Very kind. You is the pronoun that take what? Take are. So I select this one. Okay, let's continue the rest of the exercise. Here is the same exercise. I can't answer. I will leave this to do it by yourself as a homework. Here we say, describe yourself and friend using the example of the adjective. Here we know some adjectives like tall, like friendly, like curly hair, like funny. So here in this part, you can do by yourself as we know here. As we know here, the describing of yourself, and you can do it by yourself. He give you the example, and you can do it by yourself. This is my friend Mona. So here is my friend Mona. Very friendly, kind and funny. She always tells jokes and helps her friend. Mona has long black hair and brown eyes. Everyone likes to play with her. This is a question related to this part. You can do it by yourself. Here, what color of Mona's hair? Here, Mona here it will be what? It will be here black. What kind of person, Mona? Mona is what? Is very friendly, kind and funny. Who likes to play with friends without thinking. Why? Because who here ask about what? Ask about subject person. And we learned before that who ask about subject person. Who likes to play with Mona? Her friends. What does Mona always do? Mona likes to play with Mona do what? Mona tells jokes and helps her friend. Mona tells jokes and helps her friend. Let's go to another item here. Here you say, Mona has short brown hair and blue eyes. Here is the selection. Here, Mona here has, as we know here, Mona has what here? Has black hair and brown eyes. Has black hair. So here's black hair and brown eyes. So this I select this one. People like Mona because what? She's kind without thinking. People like Mona because what? Because she's what here? She's kind. So I select kind, this one. It's good to space your friends when it's in need. It's good to what? To help. Here is the rearrange. Let's know the component of the sentence. Subject plus verb plus object. This is the component of sentence. As we told you before, we took it during we learning in Connect. We know this component of the sentence. This is the component of statement sentence. When we make a question form, what can I do? I replace the verb instead of what? Instead of subject. This is the component of statement sentence, subject, verb, object. When we answer the rearranging the exam, you must write this rule to be able to do this exercise. So here I say, before anything, I search on of the subject. Where is the subject here? The subject can be what, as we know before, as we know, pronoun or noun. You can say Mona, or can say she, or can say Ahmad, or can say he. So subject can be pronoun or can be pronoun, noun or pronoun. Here we say up. So I. So it will be here I. I would like to say something. Grade 3 to note. I is the only pronoun. Comes in any place of the sentence, must be written in capital letter, in the middle, in the beginning of the sentence, in any place of the sentence. This is the only pronoun that must be written in what? In capital letter. So we must know this, because if you come in the punctuation question, you must know this. Okay, so here it will be here, I am Egyptian. So here I am Egyptian. Okay, here I'm Egyptian. Let's go to another one here. Next question. My are you friend? So it will be here, you are your friend. I answer to a sentence only. Then I leave the rest to do it by yourself. Now we know how to do this question, and the rules that we write it to be able to answer this question. I will leave the rest to do by yourself. I answer 2 of them as an example. Then you make your mind to the rest of the sentences. So here it will be here you. You is the subject pronoun. Where is the verb? You are what? You are here. What you are? My friend. You are my friend. This called what? My her friend, or my or her friend, or anything. This called possessive adjective. So must be followed by what? By the noun, like this. You are my friend. So I read that from 3 till the end of the sentence. It will be homework. Okay. Now we know how to do this exercise. Then I leave the rest to do it by yourself as a homework, because I don't want to make the video long. Okay, let's go to another question here. Lesson 4. Here we talk about daily routines. I think we talk about daily routines, and we use, and what if the tense that we use it with daily routine? We use the present simple form. What if the keywords of this tense? It will be always, usually, sometimes, often, really, never. All these the keywords of this tense. What can I do this tense? By adding s to the verb singular form. The plural form can take s. What is the singular form? He, she, it take s. You, we, they don't take s. And when we use it, when we use in the question form and in the negative form, we use do with I, you, we, they take do. He, she, it take does. And the same in the negative, we say don't or doesn't. Okay, I think now we know this tense, and I explained several times. You can return to the videos and review what we told before. Okay, and revise what we told before. Listen to repeat and say. Here is the daily routine: wake up, brush my teeth, get dressed, make my bed. Make here my bed. What's the meaning of make my bed? Means tidy my bed. Okay, means tidy. Here means tidy. Make my bed here means tidy. Okay, brush my hair, have breakfast. I would like to say that have must be followed by what? By meals. Have, as we know before, must followed by meals. We say have breakfast, have lunch, and so on. Here is go to school, do my homework. Let's continue the rest of the exercise related to this part here. Here we say sleep. Here is the pictures, and here is the words related to this picture. Here we have sleep, we have play, we have read, we have go to school, we have wake up, write, eat, and watch TV. Let's select the suitable word by the suitable picture. Here we say play. Which one is play here? Which one is play here? Let's guess with each other. It's play. This is no. It's not watch TV, not play. Play is in the last one. The last one here is play. I would like to match it. Here is this one, play by this one. So I select this one by this one. This is play. Okay, this is play. Okay, this is play. Read. Which one is read here? This is right, not read. This is right. Go to school. Which one go to school? This one go to school. Wake up. Which one wake up here? This is read. This is read. Wake up. I think the first picture is wake up. Okay. Wake up. This is wake up. So I select wake up by this picture. Eat. Which one eat here? Which one eat here? This one by the first picture. Eat by the first picture here. Watch TV. Which one touch TV? This boy. This one by this one. So I tell you again. Here is play. This one by this one. Play this one by this one. Read. Which one is read here? This one by this girl. Read by the last picture. Go to school. Which one go to school? This one by this one. Wake up. Wake up. This one by this one. Write. Which one is write? This one by this one. Eat. Which one is eat? This one. Eat. This one by this one. Watch TV. Which one is watch TV? This one by this one. Watch TV by this one by this one. Let's go to another item here. Look, read, and say. I brush my teeth. I go to school at 8 o'clock. At 8 a.m. I do my homework. I have my breakfast. I make my bed. I wake up at a.m. This is called the routine. The routine that we do every day. Okay. Here is the daily routine. So here I will start. I will arrange the daily routine. Here is wake up. The first of the day, wake up. Then I wake up. I eat my breakfast. This one, then this one. I eat my breakfast. Then I go to school. So here is 1, 2, and this is 3. Go to school. Here is then after I return from school, I do my homework. Here is I read. I watch TV. I play. Then I watch TV at the last of the last. Okay. So I will do it again. Wake up, eat breakfast, go to school. After go to school, after returning from school, what? Do my homework. There is read, play. Then at the end of the day, I watch TV. I watch TV. Then the last one, it will be here, sleep. Okay. Hello. Here is the daily routine of Amir. Let's read the daily routine of Amir. Hello, I'm Amir. Every day, I wake up at 6 a.m. I brush my teeth. I get dressed. After I have breakfast, I go to school. I learn and play with my friends. After school, I go home and do my homework. What time does Amir wake up? Amir wakes up. So here to be wakes, because we have does, and the verb here must be adding s to the verb like this. Wakes up at what? At 6 a.m. What does Amir do after breakfast? After breakfast, doing what? Go to school. So where does Amir go after school? So here we're asked about what? We use WH question to ask about what? About place. So here, which after school, what's Amir doing? After school, Amir go home and do his homework. Okay, go home and do his homework. Okay. Let's continue the rest of this exercise. Here is the words. We do the daily routine. Here we can say, as we know here during the lesson. This is the keywords that we use it to expressing daily routine. I say I wake up at 6 a.m. I eat my breakfast. After I go to school. I eat my breakfast. Then I go to school to study. I go to school to study. After returning from school, I play with my friend after I come from school. After I come from school, I play with my friend, and after I do my homework, then I play with my friend. Okay, here is the present simple tense for routines. Here is the daily routines. We know before that we use the present simple tense to expressing present simple tense used to expressing three cases: habits, facts, and routines. This is the usage of present simple tense. Here, let's go to study this example together. I wake up at 7 a.m. He goes to school at 8 o'clock. We brush our teeth in the morning. She does her homework every day. I make my bed and I wake up. Here is here we say, here is are you we they, don't take s. He she take s in the present simple form. Let's do this exercise together. I space up in the morning. So here it will be I wake up in the morning. Why wake up? Why wake without s? Because I don't he you we they don't take s. I go to space every day. I go to here I go to school. Here it will be I go to school. Here I brush my teeth. I do my homework. To school, I do my homework. I make my bed. I make my bed to keep it tidy. I make my bed to keep it tidy. Okay. I will leave this to do it. I answer one of them, and I will leave this to make your mind and do it by yourself. Let's do this exercise together. He plays football. He plays. I brush. Why brush? Because I don't take S. They go. She wakes up at 7 o'clock. We study, not studies. Why? Because study is plural noun. This is the same as the previous one. I will leave this to do it by yourself. Here we say, what time do you wake up? So here we talk about yourself in this question. So here we say the time that you wake up. You what do you eat for breakfast? So we say your breakfast you eat what? We say bread and jam, or bread and beans. We say cheese and egg, and so on. What do you do after school? After school, we play. After school, I go home. Then I go home and play. I go home to. Then I do my home. That's sorry. Then I do my homework. Here is my name is Sarah. I eat breakfast and then I go to school. I'm tall and I have long hair. What's her name? Her name is Sarah here. Okay. What does she do after breakfast? After breakfast, after breakfast, she go to school. Is she short or long? As we know here about Sarah. Sarah's tall. So we say she's tall. What does she have? What does she have? Sorry. Does she have long brown hair? As we know here, brown hair. Yes, she has. She has. Yes, she has. Yes. Yes, she. Yes, she does. Yes, she does. I will say here. Yes, she does. Or yes, she has. Yes, she has brown hair, long brown hair. Okay, so here we talk about the daily life. I wake up at 6 o'clock. I eat my breakfast. Then I go to school. After I come from school, I do my homework. Then I play with my friend or I watch TV and so on. Okay, this is the assessment. This is the evaluation. We say here what I learned. Say here not yet means one star is good. Here is good. Good. Here is fair, good, or excellent. Okay, always here it means excellent. Okay, so here this is the assignment or evaluation about that we learned here. I can grade others using different expression. We say if not yet or sometimes or always. So can anyone say sometimes? Others say always. Others say not yet. Not yet. Everyone can do by yourself. I can understand and follow rule classroom rules. I can say always yes. I can describe my own others' looks and personality. Yes, here sometimes. I can talk about my daily routine. Always. Here I talk about my daily routine. I can use the present simple tense to talk about routines. Yes, here I put it here in always. Today we finished from unit unit 1. Next class I will start unit 2. It's not strange. It's about the family, and I think we took it before in Connect. I hope to benefit and enjoy our video today. Thanks a lot. Until we meet again. Goodbye.